Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got an unboxing for the shop out there. I've been fighting something out there for so long, and then I saw a reel about this type product, and I checked on Amazon, and I found a decent price one that it looks almost identical to the one that was in the reels, but it also had a lot of good reviews. So I'm gonna, get at it here and open it up here. Get out my everyday carry here. All right. So, comes with some attachments on top. This thing, got a 3-foot hose here. And what I got here, this goes on a 5-gallon bucket. And what it does is this part here connects down to the shop vac, and then the shop vac hose connects on here, sucks in, and this acts like a centrifugal venturi. So as it comes in, it goes around real fast and throws the particles out to the side where it drops it down into the 5-gallon bucket. So I got that, and something else to go with it here. Now, when I worked construction, the Caterpillar and John Deere excavators and dozers and stuff all had a similar device on its as a pre-air cleaner with a big glass bowl up there, and it would swirl all the dust around it to start filling up. You'd pull it out and dump it out, and then pop the air filter out and just give it a light blowing with the air hose, because there's hardly anything on it because it trapped everything. So let me get in here and open up the next bag here. Okay. And one of the things is out there with the in the shop, I don't want to have to keep moving around, so I got an extra piece of hose here with some adapters. Let me get out the everyday carry again. I slid off of it here. Hang on. Get this to sit right so I can get it to work right. There we go. So I got a 10-foot hose here. Now this is 1.5 inches, not 2.5 like the other, but it has all the adapters to go to the different sizes and stuff. So I'll be able to hook it up to it, and it has adapters to go on like the shop vac, not shop vac, the router, the chop saw, my one circular saw, so I can hook it right up to the tool I'm using to get all the dust right away. So that's what I got here. I will be doing a video later on as I hook everything up out in the shop. But for now, this is what it was. This is on Amazon. I will try to remember to put the link to these 2 items in the description. If when I post a video I forget to do it, first one is notice it's not in the description. It'll be right at the top of the description. You'll say, hey, you forgot the link, and I'll get the message, and I'll add it to it. And I'll also respond to you too. All right. Thank you, everyone. Remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month, and start planning your garden for this year.